Hello everyone, welcome back to Follow the Imprints. We are Sudeshna and Ranjit, and as you can see from behind, we are in Taj Mahal, Agra. So this is the second episode of our three-part series of the Golden Triangle. So let's explore the wonder now. From Jaipur Junction, we took the AC chair car of All Agra Fort Express. The IRCTC lounge in the station was really clean and had fresh breakfast options, although the train was very dirty.
This is Ajmer to Agra Fort train. Train is AC chair car. Everything is dirty, run down chairs.
The train was running almost on time at a speed of 100 to 115 kilometers per hour, and it took us 4.5 hours to reach Agra Fort. From the station, we would definitely recommend to take an auto or a tuk-tuk to your hotel.
So for Indians and OCI card holders, foreigners, origin Indians, for them it's 50 rupees entry fee and 200 rupees for mausoleum. So 250 total. For foreigners, it's 1000 rupees entry fee and 200 for mausoleum, which is 1200. So 250 for Indians and OCIs, 1200 for foreigners. High value ticket holder, low value ticket holder, low value people. This is men's line and that's women's line. All the way to the end. They have security check-in, very strict. You should not bring food items or any tripod. So they will do security checking just like airport. Sudeshna, it's waiting, I guess maybe for half an hour it will take for her. For me, it took only 2-3 minutes. All men are waiting for their wives.
From the childhood memory, as long as I remember, we all grew up in India knowing this is the iconic symbol of the country, and finally we are here. It took us ages to come here, like after visiting to 25 countries. Finally we can say that we have visited the wonder of the world in our own home country. It's better late than never, right? The sun here, it's like glowing orange, though it's very haze and smog. That's Agra special. It's as beautiful as it sounds, not overhyped. It is iconic, and it should be a wonder of the world. I haven't seen this great monument, like built in hundreds of years back. This detailed architecture, amazing. On both the sides of the mausoleum, there are this red arc-shaped buildings, which are actually mehman khanas, or the guest house, which Shah Jahan built for their royal guests. How royal you need to be to have a guest house like this. This ivory white marble mausoleum was built by Shah Jahan, who was the 5th Mughal emperor, in the year of 1648 for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal by the right bank of river Yamuna. And opposite to it there are gardens as well, which we will try to go in the evening. Both his and his wife's tombs are inside the mausoleum. So now let's go and see it. But inside the Taj Mahal, no photography and videography are allowed. So we'll go and come back. You stay here.
For going into mausoleum, you have to wear shoe cover or without shoe. We got the shoe covers from outside, 10 rupees each. Although we found out inside it is free. So anyway, we'll do the mistake so that you don't have to.
So we just got outside from the mausoleum. Inside, don't expect much to see a reveal or a huge grandeur. There is nothing except the tombs of Mumtaz Mahal and the Emperor Shah Jahan. There is a light, like a lantern kind of thing, hanging right above the tombs, which was gifted by Lord Mountbatten. But outside, when I'm seeing this grandeur, like the architecture as well as the Arabic scriptures, which I just translated in iPhone and it's showing as he's the one. The main thing that blows my mind is like 400 to 500 years back, this symmetry of this entire tomb. Like, how did they make this? Like, it's amazing. The only word, it's like, what Taj.
Wow, Taj.
This Arabic scriptures which we can see right from the bottom to the top, this entire box, this frame is fully symmetrical. So what they did 500 years back when they built it, they increased the size of the scriptures by 0.5 degrees at a time so that it enlarged at the top, but when we are seeing right from the bottom, we can see this at exact same frame. Those many years back, the people were so talented. Like Taj Mahal is a straight art of work, like work of art. And nowadays we have degrees and the bridge collapses in 2 years. Like, when did we go wrong?
And if you go up, it looks like 3D, but it's not. It's flat surface. That's how the architecture is. It's flat.
It's fully flat.
And if you go up, it's curved inside like 3D.
So Taj Mahal was built by more than 22,000 laborers, and this monument is one of the most visited and photographed monument in the entire world. Another unique feature of this entire Taj Mahal complex is the main mausoleum is of white marble, whereas all the other mosques and the Mehman Mahal and the Jal Mahals, everything are built with red sandstone to give the unique contrast architecture of red and white. So the toilets in this Taj Mahal complex is actually very clean. It's a gem to find a clean toilet when you are traveling in India, unfortunately, where this is clean. It's a 5 rupees per person when you use it.
So we are taking this one, 50 rupees.
Next spot after Taj Mahal is the Agra Fort, which is also known as the Red Fort of Agra, and the entry fee is ₹50 including taxes for adult Indian, and if you are an OCI card holder, even if you are a foreign citizen, you will pay the Indian fees. Our mic has been confiscated by the security guard, so we have kept our DJI mic in the cloak. So if the audio is not that great, sorry for that. Here we are in the Agra Fort. This has a huge historical impact in India starting from the Mughal era, and this is the place where Shah Jahan was kept house arrest by his son Aurangzeb, and also this fort acted as a standing guard during the British rule, and this exact Lal Killa of Agra was the site where the British East India Company's rule in India ended. During the 1500s, in the Mughal era, Humayun was actually crowned in this fort, and later Akbar was the first person who built most of the fort. Shah Jahan actually renovated the entire area and built this fort after Taj Mahal, and this was known as Lal Killa. Fort, the capital of Mughal Empire, shifted from Agra to Delhi. Mughal-e-Azam, Lajpal, Mughlai biryani और कबाब, वाह वाह वाह.
मस्त जोक मारा रे या हंस रे हलकट हंस.
So this was the place where Shah Jahan was kept as house arrest by his own son Aurangzeb, and he was in this particular area not allowed to go anywhere outside, known as the Shah Burj, and he was here around 8 years till his last breath.
Agra Fort is also UNESCO World Heritage Monument. So this is Jahangir's Mahal. This would be our last Mahal in Agra Fort. After that, we might go for a lunch. This is what is interior courtyard of Jahangir's Mahal.
And we are staying at Courtyard Marriott.
Wow.
Marriott Mahal.
Yeah, that stay is actually normally 6,000 rupees per day. But we are staying with our points again, 33,000 points for 2 nights.
And as we are Gold Elite members of Marriott, they have given us a free upgrade to our premium pool view room, which we will show you once we go inside. And if you want to know how to get a Gold Elite status with Marriott without staying many nights in a year, follow the link here.
From here, you can see Taj Mahal as well. Although right now, there's foggy. Visibility is very low. But once the visibility is clear, you can see the Taj Mahal from here. Dr. Ambedkar Chowk metro station. Taking metro, it's like empty. Now you'll wonder why this metro station is so empty. Because of the fare. From here to East Gate, it is very near. It's 20 rupees each.
Yeah, it's 40 rupees. So you can get auto easily within 20 to 30 bucks. Like they were even telling us that they will take us in 10 rupees. We always like to take
Public
metros.
transit metro, yeah.
Metros in every city. But the reason of not availing metro of public is this. It's expensive.
Very expensive. This is how empty it is. Each person, one row.
So we came at a restaurant called Priya restaurant, which was near the Taj East Gate metro station, and we have ordered one butter naan, one butter roti, one missi roti, one karai chicken, one buttermilk. So let's see how the food is. So the food quality was actually very good and the service is really nice. So whenever you're coming here, if you are looking for some authentic North Indian kind of food, you can try this restaurant, and our entire cost was around 1000 rupees. Hello from the past. So we actually just checked in at Courtyard by Marriott in Agra. So let's give you a quick room tour. So the moment we enter, here's a full-size mirror, and on this side, again a full-size mirror. So it's a huge wardrobe actually with loads of storage spaces, a safe, and they have given us slippers. And on this side, it's a huge spacious washroom, and the best part, the entire property is living up to the 5-star category. Though it's a courtyard, it's very clean. So here's a commode, a wash basin with amenities, and a full standing shower. And right opposite to it, we have a space to keep our luggages. And here is a hidden cupboard with a mini fridge, which is empty by the way. And on this side, it's a huge king size bed. So as we are Marriott Gold members, so they have actually given us a free upgrade to a premium room with a pool view, which I'll show you later on. And on this side, kettle, TV, table, chair, sofa, bedside table. And let's show you the view now. So here's the poolside view of our room. So now, as you have watched our room tour, we took some rest actually after coming from Taj Mahal, and now it's almost 4:50. The sunset will be by 5:30. So we came to the opposite bank, like the left bank of River Yamuna at the Mehta Bagh garden area to watch the sunset and the Taj Mahal from this
The
side.
other side, yes.
Yeah.
And the Mehta Bagh only opens from sunrise to sunset. I say it's almost time. So 10 more minutes. Let's see if we can able to enter the Bagh.
So one quick tip when you're coming in Agra to watch the sunset with the Taj Mahal, there are two options actually. I mean, there are three options technically. One, you can definitely go inside the Taj Mahal like we did in the morning. Second, you can come to Mehta Bagh and buy a 200 Indian rupees per adult ticket to watch the sunset by the Yamuna River. Or the cheapest option is to buy a 15 rupees ticket and come at this Taj viewpoint by the Agra Development Authority and see the Taj Mahal up close by the Yamuna River from the left bank of the river. Entire walkaway by this garden is the ADA viewpoint, whereas the people which you can see on that side of the fence are the people who have bought the Mehta Bagh tickets. Definitely after coming here, I will recommend buy the 15 rupees ticket. It's cheaper and it's closer. So this is actually the northern side of the Taj Mahal where this Mehta Bagh and the ADA viewpoint is located. And finally, we have seen the Taj. Now we can say that we have checked off one wonder out of 7 from our list. 6 more to go.
When in Agra, get Agra Petha. So we are here getting our Agra Petha.
So obviously we are in Agra. We have to taste the Agra delicacy, which is the Petha, a very famous sweet. When you are in Agra, you have to try it. And this particular shop is more than 100 years old, called the Gopal Petha Wale. So we took 500 gram of Petha, the Kesar one, and it costed us 95 rupees. So we just got back to our hotel and the tuk-tuk driver whom we took for this entire day actually,
पूरा घुमा रहा है आगरा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एकदम टेंशन मुक्त होके आ सकते हैं यहाँ पर.
he's very nice. We'll share his name and number in the description. If you're coming to Agra, feel free to contact him. So that marks the end of our Agra trip. Tomorrow we will continue for the third leg of our Golden Triangle
Third
trip.
and final.
Third and final leg of our Golden Triangle trip before heading towards our 26th country. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till this end. Hope you have enjoyed the Taj Mahal with us. And if yes, do subscribe and share this one with your friends and family.
And please press the bell icon and the like button to get further notifications. Till then,
Follow them, friends.
bye.
Hangers and they're out. So both his and his wife's कॉबोर के की बोल है
And please press the bell icon and the no, please press
Like.
the bell. हाँ.